Nah, Landcruiser. Oh, Landcruiser. You have to build the doors. The door! Oh man! Does that mean I have to build the doors now? Oh. Whew. That was quite the Landcruiser nightmare. But I really needed that nap. And I think the door needed it too. But, you know, we're awake now, getting ready for the day. We're gonna be building this door on my bed today because I wanna ensure that none of the freshly awesome red paint gets scratched. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be taking an old door that I have that's complete, as well as all the components that came with the truck, and we're gonna be putting them all together to make one door. I'm using this door as reference because I'm really not sure what parts go where in this box. So we're gonna take all those components, match them up together, and put them together to build this awesome door in all four. So we pulled everything out of the old door, and I have everything laid out here, getting ready to put it back in. So everything it's pretty straightforward door. You just got to be very careful with this one. We don't want to mess up the paint. So I'm going to be taking my time on everything. But most importantly, I have everything laid out that as it came out of the truck, especially, you know, for what bolts go where. So we're going to go put those together and take you along for the ride. I just want everybody to note that this chrome that I'm putting on the door right now, it does go on in specific order. So make sure when you take your chrome off that you're putting it in the correct way. I messed up a few times on this, and it's kind of difficult to get off and pry from the other side, especially with this fresh paint. Another tip here is when you're putting in the quarter glass window, I would suggest a few things. One, that you put your chrome on that goes on the outside of the door on at the exact same time, as well as the main glass goes in the body of the door, as these two items would be very difficult to put on when quarter glass is going in. So make sure that you're doing those things and they're not rattling the glass inside the body around too much, but it will make it a whole lot easier when it goes back together. Don't give me that look. We're still working on it. But the two rear doors are about 90% finished. I still do need to do the door panels and some of the bezels inside, but they are all ready to go. They work and they're functional. Unfortunately, I cannot mount them on the truck just yet, as the hinges are still in the paint room. So I'm waiting on those to come before I can put them on the truck to make sure that everything is 100% functional. That was one heck of a battle putting these back together. I've never put one of these doors fully together. I've taken bits and pieces off of them before, but now I know how to, and unfortunately I was not able to get the camera into some of those nooks and crannies because, as you would guess, a lot of that stuff is internal to the door. So I did my best to try to show you and showcase to you how the door process going back together works. So if there's any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll try to answer them to my best of my ability. All right guys, so I went ahead and stripped the driver's side door that I got from a parts truck. That door actually came from the first truck I ever parted out, so it's kind of cool that all the trucks that I've ever parted out is going into this red truck. I do want to let everybody know that I'm not going to show the complete process of putting this door together, as it's not going to be the normal door that you would normally find on an FJ60 in the United States. I'm putting wing windows in, and I keep talking about those, and I have them in my blue truck, which all the stuff is sitting on the tailgate of, and I did an entire series on the wing windows, so you can look in the links below for that YouTube video, as well as I'll put a link right up here for you so you can check that out. So it will be a little bit different, the regulators are different, and there are different things that need to be put in place, and you need to drill a couple holes. But so that's going to be the basis of that. So I really hope you enjoyed this video learning about the doors. If there are any questions about putting them together, where things go, where to find things, please leave a comment below, as well as, if you could, subscribe to the channel, like and share these videos, as it keeps me motivated to keep on taking these things apart and showing you how to do it. Cheers, we'll see you next time.